Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and exposing the target device in visible or pairing mode. This lets the radio negotiate. Once done, select the device name in Bluetooth settings on your primary device and watch for Passkey prompt. Make sure both screens display a numeric Passkey within a few seconds. That's the shared secret used to confirm identity. Don't waste time toggling unrelated settings. Focus on visibility, proximity, and initiating the pairing request now so the handshake can begin. You now handle the middle of the process, confirmation and input. When both devices show the same digits, either tap accept on both or type the number into the device asking for input. That step prevents man-in-the-middle attacks by verifying both radios see the same secret. Make sure to grant required permissions like audio or contacts so features work. If one device requests a PIN while the other shows a number, type the number. Matching values establish the encrypted link and finalize authentication for the pairing session. You complete the flow by verifying the secure connection. Play audio, send a file, or check the device list for an active status. Once connected, mark the device as trusted or allow auto-connect so future sessions skip manual confirmation. If the pairing fails or the passkeys don't match, unpair both devices, toggle Bluetooth or reboot, and try again. Also update device firmware and clear old paired entries. That single troubleshooting tip, clear and retry, resolves most passkey mismatches and stale profile conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.